It all began with barter, a simple give and take between people who trusted each other face to face. Then came gold, a promise of value that outlived empires. Later, paper money entered circulation, backed by kings, by faith, and by power. And then, numbers appeared on our screens, invisible, instant, and universal. But now, money is changing again. Not because of governments, not because of banks. This time the change is called code. For centuries, money worked because it symbolized our trust. We believed that gold was rare. We trusted that paper had value. We believed banks would protect our savings, and that governments would keep their promises. Trust wasn't written in documents. It lived deep within belief. It was a story told for generations, a story powerful enough to shape civilizations. But stories change, and so does trust. In 2009, a new story began, not in a bank office, not in a government building, but within the limitless expanse of the internet. Bitcoin, a currency without a country, a finance system without a bank, a network without a center. It introduced a new kind of faith in mathematics. Every transaction verified, every rule transparent, no rulers, no borders, no intermediaries. For the first time in history, proof replaced trust. Trust didn't disappear, it migrated from people to protocols. Blockchain technology expanded this vision. Ownership, identity, and value became lines of code, recorded forever. From decentralized finance, to digital art, to virtual economies, we began to witness the birth of a new world. In this world, code isn't just a tool, it is law. Smart contracts execute deals without human oversight. Machines decide who qualifies for credit. Artificial intelligence detects fraud, manages assets, predicts trends. The once human art of financial trust is being translated into algorithms, lines of logic that never sleep and never forget. Artificial intelligence accelerates this transformation even more. It doesn't just record transactions, it interprets them. It learns our behavior, anticipates risk, makes autonomous decisions. Soon your digital assistant may manage your money, negotiate your contracts, or decide what's safe to buy. Money is becoming alive, adaptive, responsive, self-correcting. But this evolution raises a question. If code controls money, who controls the code? History has shown us one truth. Every leap in technology reshapes power, and those who hold it. The printing press liberated knowledge. The internet liberated communication. And now, programmable money may redefine control itself. Central banks are experimenting with digital currencies, programmable, traceable, monitored. In the name of security, or stability, money could become a tool of surveillance. What happens to privacy when every coin leaves a digital shadow? We created money to represent value. We built systems to manage that value, and now, we're building systems that replace trust itself. But can an algorithm truly understand trust, or merely simulate it? Can code feel empathy, or ethics, or meaning? Perhaps the money of the future will be efficient, but soulless. From human trust to code, from belief to algorithmic precision, from the stories we told to the systems we programmed. The evolution of money is no longer just about value, it's about what and who we choose to believe in. And as we walk toward this coded future, one question remains. Will we still be the ones writing the code, or will the code be writing us? If you'd like to see more videos like this, you'd like to subscribe to my channel. By liking and supporting my content, you can help this journey grow